Content over everything.
Yeah, big up family. It's Jedi representing Gang, guiding a new generation. I don't know if you've seen recently, we've been doing some community outreach. We've been going directly into the communities and speaking to those affected by the escalating violence that's been going on in our city. We've been in Tottenham, we've been in Hackney, and tomorrow we're going to be in Southwest London. So if you want to come down, ride out with us, go into these communities, engage with the people of the community, engage with the youth, do some outreach, you know what I mean? And let them know that they're supported by us. Then come and link us at Kennington Tube Station at 4 o'clock. Yeah, that's Kennington Tube Station at 4 o'clock. That's that's the start point, and we're going to move off, and we're going to be in the Stockwell, Brixton area. Yeah, so come and link us in it. Yeah, gang, 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 gang. Big up everyone that's been supporting us well. Yeah, but the responses have been massive. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Just a quick ad just to let you know that Gang's gonna be in Kennington Tube Station, 4 o'clock. Please come down and support. And if you can't support, please spread the message, spread the word, let someone know that we're gonna be down there. Hopefully they can come out and represent for you, yeah? Big up man, I hope everyone stays safe in these troubling times. Get me? Gang. Right it.
Content over everything. From your melody.
Man, say it straight. Man, don't listen to BBC. Man, don't listen to...
We were having a discussion with some young American people who felt that if they identified as women, we should actually have to refer to them as women. And some of us fellas here would think the complete opposite. And that probably would fall into the definition, if she perceived it as us denying her existence, would fall into hate speech. Not that that's the thing, but these are the realms we're having to deal with.